Hi, I'm Steve Rhodes, Innovation Consultant at Formpipe. In this video, we're going to look at how our Lasernet software can integrate with Enigio's Trace Original service. Lasernet can be easily configured to make use of any function in the Trace Original API. In this example, we're going to create a document in Lasernet from an input. This could be any document from any input method. We're going to make an API call to ingest that document to the Enigio service, and we'll capture the response to our API call containing the Enigio document ID. We're also going to specify the parties that will electronically sign this document and prompt email invites to be sent out to those signers via Enigio. This is all done within one Lasernet job with no user interaction required. Lastly, we'll make another API call from Lasernet to transfer ownership of this document to a new owner. So to start, we're going to create a sample document from an input. In this case, we have a file input module here, and we have a template for a promissory note. We take XML input on the left-hand side and use that data to generate the PDF promissory note on the right-hand side. We then go to a second form engine to construct the JSON body of the call. We have an entry modifier in here to encode the PDF as base64 and save that value as a job info, which is a variable in Lasernet. In the JSON form using the Enigio schema, where the base64 is inserted. The job is then passed to the first HTTP output module to make the post call out to Enigio. The response from Enigio is saved as job data, and we have two destinations set for two further form engines. In the first, we capture the document ID from the Enigio response, and on the right-hand side, we specify the signer's email and signer's name using our original input data. The JSON used here also specifies Enigio's own eSign solution, but we could insert DocuSign, SigniCat, or Adobe Sign here. The body is then passed to another HTTP output module to make the second post to Enigio, using the document ID to form part of the endpoint path. Subsequently, in the next form engine, we'll prepare another JSON body, which will be used in the call to prompt Enigio to email invitations to the signers. This is then passed to the third HTTP module with a final post in this process. So let's see the demo in action. We'll drop the input file to a folder that Lasernet server is set up to monitor. Lasernet takes the file. The process we've configured is all being done automatically, behind the scenes, with no user involvement. And now the signer we specified has received an email from Enigio to invite them to sign this document. So I'll click this link and sign. To do this, I'll enter my email address. And I'll also receive a one-time verification code. And now we can review and sign this document. I'll click on Sign. Draw a signature. Submit this. And the signature has now been appended to the last page in this document by Enigio. So now let's transfer ownership of this original document. To do this, the input file to Lasernet will require the document ID and version key from Enigio, and the name and email address of the new owner. To demonstrate, we'll add those manually. We'll take the document ID. And the version key from the latest amendment. Save this file. Put it into our input folder. It's taken by Lasernet. And here an email has been received of a new owner of a document to claim that document. We'll enter the one-time passcode. And we will accept the original document here. We can now download our key pair, and the new owner can then manage this document via Trace Original's public notary service. Thank you for watching.